Out in Big Mama's garden, getting ready to harvest some beautiful mustard greens. Look at these beautiful mustard green leaves. Yeah, they have grown back so big after my first harvest. Oh yes, y'all look great. Let's get in here and harvest some of these mustard greens. Look at that beautiful leaf there. Oh yes, 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 yes. Ooh, look how big that one is. That's beautiful. Look at him. Oh boy, y'all have grown bigger than the ones I first harvested. Look at that leaf there. Oh, got a little hole in it, but we'll cut around you and still eat you. Look at him. Okay. Okay, yes, mustard greens. Beautiful mustard greens. Grown in Big Mama's garden. Okay. Harvest all the big leaves and come back and harvest the smaller ones another time. Clean out this bed. I see some ones I need to get rid of. They died out. Look at this big old one here. Look at the stem size on that mustard green. Okay, great. Oh boy. Look at here. Mustard greens. Okay. Okay, let me finish harvesting these mustard greens grown in Big Mama's garden. Look what I have harvested this morning. A bouquet of mustard greens grown in Big Mama's garden. They look so beautiful. Yes, they are.